That was not a good corner. This guy on an e-bike. Oh. Oh. Damn, in the pedal section, just pulled away, dude.
Yeah, the
e-bike's just like ripping.
I'm only on one bar. Two.
Dude.
More that jump at the top.
Dude, yeah. Oh yeah, they're all of it. Yeah, that was so sick.
Fuck yeah. See, there's only a couple.
Yeah, yeah.
And they're pretty obvious. Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah. Let's hit it. Woo! There's a tree down. Wait, what? Oh. Hey. Damn. Damn it. Oh, yeah, that jump? Yeah. That sucks. Oh. Dude, that's so sick.
I know that one gap at the top is...
What's that guy doing with the downhill bike out here, dude?